Welcome back to another video. I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com and hope you guys having a really good time. And today I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Zoho Mail to your Doplac.com account to start sending your Colt campaign. I am on my Doplac.com account. Click on Outreach, then click on Account to connect any account to your Doplac.com account. To add a new account, just click on Add More Account. And here it is. As I'm going to connect Zoho Mail, so I'm going to choose Zoho. And it is, I have to choose my name. I'm going to choose my name. Okay, you have to choose your name. Okay, now you have to provide your Zoho email, the email actually you want to connect it to your Doplac.com account. So I'm going to provide my email, Zoho email, the email actually I want to connect with my Doplac.com account. Okay, I have provided my email address, and here it is. My email address, under the username, this is the email address that I'm going to connect it to my Doplac.com account, and under the password section you have to provide your email, Zoho email address password. So I have provided my Zoho email address password here, and now I have to provide the IMAP host and SMTP host of Zoho Mail. So if you need any help, or if you don't know your Zoho email IMAP or SMTP host, you can search in Google about to find your Zoho email IMAP and SMTP host. Or if you already have an account Zoho email, then go back to your Zoho account, click on settings to find your IMAP and SMTP host of Zoho Mail, then click on mail account, and here it is. Under the mail account settings, then you can find your IMAP and SMTP host. Here it is. This is my IMAP for Zoho, so I'm going to copy it and paste it here. The IMAP post is 993. I'm going to copy the SMTP port from here, SMTP host, and the SMTP port is I think 465. Yes, it's 465. So when you're done with your IMAP and SMTP port, host and port, then if you want to add any specific reply email, then you can do it. Just tick mark the button and you have this option. You can add your reply email here, but I'm not going to add any reply email at this moment. If you want, then you can do it. And after that, just click on save, and here it is. My account is connected, my Zoho Mail is connected to my Doplac.com account. And after that, if you want to edit, if you want to update any of the option, then you can just click on edit details, and here it is. You can change your name, you can add a signature, and if you want to disconnect the provider, you just have to click on the disconnect, and you have to write down delete here to delete the provider. So to make sure that is it okay or not, after connecting your Zoho Mail account or any account to your Doplac.com account, Doplac will send a message to the email address you used to sign into your Doplac.com account about the new connected mail or new connected account that you have connected to your Doplac.com account. This is the email will make sure that the account you have connected is authentic and the credential you have provided is okay. So you just have to go to your email address, the email address you used to sign into your Doplac.com account, and then you can find the email Doplac send you about the email address, the account you connected to your Doplac.com account. Okay, is that now you can use your Zoho Mail? Now I can use my Zoho Mail account to send my Colt campaign. I can find that here. Yes, okay, I have 2 accounts disconnected here. It's showing here, and it's all for today. Don't forget to check out Doplac.com because it's completely free until June 1st, 2024. So it's a big opportunity. You can utilize every single option, every single features that Doplac offering, so you can see how it can help you to grow your agency. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback or question, leave them in the comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more informative video from Doplac.com. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.